MC don't land. Right now, we want to do it for Gloria and Godwin. Edo people, Asian people. Are you ready? Let's go inside and give them.
Okay, DJ, bring it down. DJ, bring it down. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, daddies and mommies. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I know probably I'll be doing more of the talking today, but this is the part you all need to respond to me. I don't know if we have majority of the Asian people here. Asia, oh yeah. Asia, oh yeah. Asia, oh yeah. Do we have Igbo people here? Igbo kwenu? Igbo kwenu? Igbo kwenu? I think we are on the right path. Do we have Yoruba people here? Ararara. Ararara. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are here and you know you are here to have some fun, a round of applause for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Okay, Your Excellency, family members, colleagues, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the both family of the bride and the groom and the beautiful couples themselves, I welcome you all to this wonderful wedding reception between Gloria and Godwin. A round of applause for them, please. Please clap for them. When I say clap, please make sure you clap. So please clap for the latest couple, Gloria and Godwin. Please clap for them. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be wondering who is standing in front of you, or maybe why I dress the way I do. But ladies and gentlemen, they call me by name Dickson Okafor. My name is Dickson Okafor. On social media, it's called Dickson Event. By the special grace of God, I'm a professional MC, and out of the abundant MC here in Lagos, Edo, Anambra, Africa, the couples themselves find me worthy to carry you along for. Do you know why? Ask me why. Do you know why? Because I will never there be a dull moment in this event. If you are here and you are ready to have some fun, let me hear you say, oh yeah. Let me hear you say, oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, there are three powerful words I'm coming to deliver today. It's